Welcome back to Rosa's Portuguese Kitchen. Today we are making Tarte de Nata, a delicious dessert made from the world-famous Portuguese custard. This dessert is a highlight at any event and certain to please any guests. Stay with me and I'll show you how to make it step by step. Tarte de Nata, 1 roll of puff pastry, 8 egg yolks, 200 grams of sugar, 400 milliliters of cream, 1 lemon peel, 2 tablespoons of flour. Stretch the pastry dough on a baking pan, poke holes with a fork. In a pot, put the egg yolks, mix and add sugar. Add the flour and the lemon peel. Add the cream and cook on stovetop. Put the cream in the baking pan and put it in the oven. And that's it. Today we made Tarte de Nata, a wonderful dessert, sure to please your friends and family. I hope you had fun following along. If you enjoyed this recipe, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more traditional Portuguese dishes. Have a favorite recipe you'd like me to make? Drop your suggestions in the comments. See you in the next episode. Faça e coma!